To meet the job demand of this young educated generation, I urge upon the Union government to sanction assembly units of public sector undertaking PSU in electronics or electrical ready-made garment in the state. If found, sir, my 0 hour is demand for establishment of assembly units of electronics or electrical garments PSU in Manipur. Sir, Manipur is a small landlocked state with an estimated population of about 30 lakh plus only. As of now, the state has no big industrial corporate house. Only small and very few medium enterprises are functioning in the state. The literacy rate as per latest population census is 76.94%. State's annual unemployment rate is 4.7% as of 2022-2023. while the national average is 3.2%. As such, unemployment in the productive age group and educated unemployed category is rampant in the state, but the state has abundance of skillful young generation having degrees or diplomas in electronics, electrical, and computer and the other engineering branches. To meet the job demand of this young educated generation, I urge upon the Union government to sanction assembly units of public sector undertaking PSU in electronics or electrical ready-made garment in the state. If found worthwhile, small electronics or electrical or computer parts could be manufactured to provide employment opportunities and boost the state economy as well as save the youth from drug menace and involved in national building. Thank you, sir.